Okay, this is Mr. Prince, and Mr. Prince is about as cute as they come. He is a very calm, sweet little guy. We think maybe Shih Tzu and Lhasa, about maybe 1 to 2 years old, and has got the sweetest personality, but he does take a little bit of time to warm up to somebody. So I actually think maybe somebody wasn't very nice to this little dog. He came up from the border shelter and he was absolutely petrified and shaking. So I called one of our foster moms who loves working with doggies like him, and she came and picked him up immediately because I don't think he would have done well in a rescue type environment. And what she's shared with me since he's been in her home is that he's the type of dog that'll sit on your lap forever, and he tends to bond to one person and does take a little bit of time to warm up, but is an absolutely love bug. So I would say definitely no small children with him because he doesn't like to be picked up suddenly, and he's fearful. So he gets along with her other dogs, mostly her larger dogs, better than the smaller ones. So I think Mr. Prince is of royal blood, and we're just going to have to find somebody who wants to treat him like the prince that he is. Hi, Prince. Why don't you pick him up, Jill? Let's see. You see, he loves her. He doesn't want to go anywhere without her. Look at that face. And he lets me pick him up, but you can tell he's a little tense when I do. And he seems like he just doesn't know what's going on. But very calm, not hyper, and just sweet. Are you a good boy? You're certainly cute. Yes, you are. Gosh, he does. He looks like he's of royal blood. And that's Mr. Prince, and he is available for adoption through Tracy's Dog.